What if you could help your community, drive innovation, and support local businesses just by walking around your favorite city streets? Well, now you can. With support from the Knight Foundation and the Community Foundation of Palm Beach and Martin Counties, the City of West Palm Beach and Florida Atlantic University are rolling out a first-of-its-kind mobility intelligence system. The project is a continuation of the city's streetscape efforts, focused on enhancing safety, connectivity, and engagement for all residents. The Mobility Intelligence System uses advanced sensing technology and machine learning to understand where people want to go, how they're getting there, and how the city can make it easier to get around. We want everyone to be able to access the beauty, culture, activities, and jobs the city has to offer. The technology works by measuring the strength of the wireless signal from cell phones and other mobile devices, and then using those measurements to estimate the positions of the devices. The positions can be connected to understand how people move, and they can be compared with maps and other city data to understand where people want to go and the problems they might have getting there. Maybe you're craving a warm, juicy mushroom cheeseburger that you can eat by the water while listening to live Brazilian music, followed by a scoop of pistachio ice cream. Or maybe you're just looking for a better way to get to work. Wherever you're going in the city of West Palm Beach, we want to understand how to make it as easy as possible for you to get there. And when you're traveling in the city, we want you to be as safe as possible. Understanding how people travel, whether by foot, bike, or car, and where they gather throughout the day will help the city plan for emergencies and introduce safeguards that protect residents from the unexpected. A digitally connected city is more dynamic and responsive to the needs of residents. From those that walk a little slower, to those coming from a long distance, to those within the heart of downtown. This project is designed to offer maximum benefit to our entire West Palm Beach community. We're working to make life better for everyone who lives and works in the city of West Palm Beach.